Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making a full backup and verifying battery above 50%. Once done, enable developer options, turn on USB debugging and OEM unlock so the bootloader accepts images. Next, download Odin, the exact stock firmware for your tab model, and the matching TWRP recovery image mismatches brick devices. Connect the device to the PC, boot into download mode, and confirm device ID in Odin. This establishes a safe, reversible foundation for flashing. With TWRP ready, use Odin to flash the recovery image into the AP slot and make sure auto reboot is unchecked, otherwise stock recovery may overwrite it. Once flashing finishes, boot straight into TWRP using the hardware key combo, because letting Android boot will replace TWRP. In TWRP, format system/cache if required, then sideload or install the Magisk ZIP. Flashing Magisk modifies the boot image. That's how root is granted without tripping permanent changes to partitions. After Magisk installs, select Reboot to System and then install Magisk Manager so you can manage modules and safety net settings. Restore your apps and data from the backup you made earlier and verify root with a simple root check app. If you encounter a boot loop, do not panic. Boot into download mode and reflash the exact stock firmware with Odin to restore factory boot image. That usually unbricks the tab. As a tip, keep a copy of stock firmware and TWRP on hand before every attempt.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.